Ka Shillong All Faiths Forum kalapenlong ya ka jinghikai ka basisngi halor ka jingkerni ha udrok hasan ker maulai mauro ha ka santarik no pra ha ka ne ka jinghikai layadan lang ki kinhun bapher ha ka jingadan lang u president ka Shillong All Faiths Forum u bishop ka Church of North India u most reverend Dr. Purely Lingdo ringkat ka jingadan lang u secretary ka staff u Father Richard M. Majau u director jong kasan care u Dr. Sandis Bat kiwe ha kani kasngi layadan lang ru ki arngut ki balalat na ka jingsha te ha u kenjri jong u drok u Dr. Sandis uway na ki riu shampang u laong bakade ka kamram ka tanat ka kot ka kya banshim kya halor u drok namar kade ka jingpang bat ula a jingmut baki MLA kinbu ya ka rehabilitation center haman la ki constituency.
Our job is to help them find that way. Your job as members of the community is to help them come to that stage. A few facts we must remember. Our attitudes come from two things. One is your parental influence. What your parents say, talk, feel about addiction. And their response is mediated through their own personal experience. You might have a brother, you might have a family member who is an addict, who creates problems. Therefore, you feel a sense of irritation, you feel a sense of shame, you feel a sense of guilt, you feel a sense of anger whenever you confront a person who's an addict. Many people think that addicts are sinners, that addicts are bad people. So if you declare war on the two people that you saw just now, is it right? It can only be addressed through rights-based measures including public health education, provision of mental health hygiene treatment, care and support, rehabilitation and transition reintegration programs. That's where an organization like yours come in. I was struck by the similarity between the time when SAFF was formed. It was a period of what we call the pandemic. That pandemic was sudden, that pandemic was severe, that pandemic was visible. Well, we are talking about a pandemic that is already existing with man from the beginning of time. Because addiction has been with us from the beginning, it will continue to be with us to the end. As long as mankind survives on the face of this earth, addiction will be there. It is for us to realize that that is how it is.
Kakamram jungi kumki nong ilang balang tekandehi ban bu ya ka jingdoi kadi ka ba ngingits ka jingdoi kadi ka bor ka klain ka jingdoi kadi ka we nang ta banra hala ki jong ki balang ki jongi hala ki jong ki niam ki jongi banra nang ta banra igani kubor no ngiran kam menyetrilang hak bala ban wara ke nya ki jingjop ya ke ni ki jinde ka bawan haki khun ki jongi haki amang salang jongi nak liang jungi ni sngo ni ngiran kam ya ka jirap jong ki expert lesi ban kan ye ki kena samla ani haki school ke jungi namang ngidan ru igi school ngidan ru ya ki nong kun ye ki jing seng ki per ngidan ye ki seng yu per ngidan ye ki jing kudu lang yu per ki convention ber ki kini ki youth gathering ber kumta ter ke bangidan masu banong lesi ngidan kami ki expert haka bakin wan kan ban pen skolam haki beri ke jungi bangidan kam ken banya snok ti rengkat lang hakaban nyerap ban job ya gini kecingnya bar kumang kilai keren maki nang ni ki expert ki keren ni kiom nak bentak sengkir ni ke i ke bamaki ki anu ke di berbor ya ki brio ki di ki bolong ki om lo ki patient ki di ki ba ke de ka center of of work nak benta juki lani kade kide ki ba kongsan tam tina kata kada musu benang nak benta jungiru ka ba kam kongsan kade ye ki bre ki belang hakum kini hakunu kurkam ngin sendrani ki mde bengin pendramiki andai kumno bengin sendan lamiki kumno ngin aimen sem lamiki kenang ba ki laban jaw kum ngin imne ba ki bre ki job nak kada jo kaji sendan jom kene ke institute kaji sendan jo ki doktor ki nang ta ki kiwe ki nang sumarang ni kede kaji sendan jo ki jom ke ye gesam ke ba ki job masuk gudang lada ki imlang salang ada ki balang jungi ki snok tin kat masuk gudang ngin salang ban job antang salah ban ai ki jing yang ko mai ya ki tik belaha hukum kini ki jing hakini ki jing ye jing bon jo ki bre ki belaha hakini ka drug addiction kini kala kata ingi ngiso nginang trai ni itang kendian o ni yang ko bon na ko por shi ko por andai deni pek mata ya ki statistics by Dr. Sandi present mene ni good ba ki bre ki belaha bani Meghalaya ki bon ba ki bangop hakini ka jing baklang kena kata kini kala ketik jimbon yani bar kumjuru ngin saya persangi banong ru ya ke sarkar nang taru ya ki brand ta hakno promban le ak tu kom hakabangin ya trelengkat ban wara ya ke jinjob na ka ta kini ka ya kam ta ke jile ke balak ta ya ki imlang salang jeri ngim dewen penrem ya ki bre ki bahab hakini ki jing kenduk ke jeki Nanti hakunu kurang ban senran ya ki hieng kisam ban senran ya kini ki balama ya kini ki jingye ban senran ru ya ki imlang salang hai ru kom ibret bah namar kani ke kam ka balong nong kum no kolong ka ba bah hamda ba min krech bang drug addiction kadan sipun ki ban ngisuk ngimla ban kata kita ki bantan namar ngimdan ya ka bor belek kumtan Henry ye bangila banle ban ra kini chala ke syaki imlang salang chala ke jom ki para bangai ban hakunu kurang nginon kam kain banjab ya gede ho ak gede gejele nginon kam ka bor ke jong blai Henry hai nuri kam bangila ban no senyang itai di jam no nakalian jungi kum kasaf ban ai gede kubor syaki imlang salang hangi po so Shillong ha Meghalaya ban hakleng ki ba yesno ya gede kubor ke jungi
te ka wei ne jing thmu jong ni ha gede ka sing ka long bangin don gede ka program awareness program kerpang berengkat badi Dr. Sandi's aim belong iway naki doktor hagani kalan Shillong bani long ruang ni asan care kejaga ke dai ke biang nak betak ni jing tu hukum kan te kasaf lung bai secretary jengi iba latre hitom dekat bi Dr. Sandi ilala aban penlong ni ke awareness program haga bagi dekat ki member good number le wan ki penhon prepare but katno kala long ke jing kasni ke bab ai jing shai kasni ke ba ai jing mantai ya ni baro ki bawan ingin so tho kham jana issue ya ai gani ke problem ki issue ke bang problem of addiction but kumno nang ne mat kum ki nong yalam ada ke jong ke jing ila ban ya chmat ban le ladi long i baret kan no rai iban long i jing kerkhu ya ke imlam salang ya ki khon ki jing shin ram kan thai ki ba ki ba lahau aki addiction ke ba kum kine
Nadu arizar kharsan ki nong penyai jong ke UN jong ke WHO gila dep ong ba katma gala fil kam dei shu katma ngidon kam bersu thu bagat ni kajing di kade kajing pang kajing shisha kade kamram ko bo ngam tan jong ke health department kam dei jong social welfare kam dei jong pudet bagat pinele ai gani kade mangi ki doktor mungkin sumar gawai constituency gawai rehab center ki MLA jungi gidi bersung tu kata gawai pegawai constituency don kam rehab center mesti gawai district ginong kam kata ginong kam bukan simti ke simkia ke health department ya gani ke jingpang gani ke pandemic kabadon keleng sodong Sarkar mde bakno mde bayenyo yanu inuru ndre kalong program da sistem kamnum trikam kadon ketu kena syamuk menta kabaya ketu tegaya baro sistem tu ding ba jong sarkar kebale ki pelong awareness programs haki school haki communities bro koleng ka ka ri ka state mon ka tu he ram